Hey, what's up guys? In this video I want to talk about YouTube Shorts and search. Did you know when you search for something on YouTube on your mobile device, YouTube Shorts do come up in the results? So let me show you something. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube and let's search for Instagram hacks. That's a channel or that's something that I search about a lot. And if you scroll down, these are regular videos, 13 minutes, 14 minutes. But if you scroll down, whoa, look at this. So these are all YouTube Shorts. So here's another reason, if you have been on the sidelines and if you haven't jumped into testing YouTube Shorts, maybe you should do it, because YouTube Shorts definitely, and they've been appearing in the search for a while. And do keep in mind that from when I tested this, they don't show up for every single keyword. So you just have to see which keywords, and maybe you're going to test different keywords and then see if YouTube Shorts for that keyword show up or not. But couple of takeaways from this observation. One, it tells me that our YouTube Shorts are going to get a lot more reach, engagement, and views in this case, because they are showing up on other places. They have other placements other than this Shorts tab. Here's the Shorts tab, which is probably the main way people find our content, YouTube Shorts, by clicking on this tab, which is right here. But some people who are used to the way I am, I always search for different things on YouTube, and they can also find our YouTube Shorts. So that's takeaway number one. And number two is I started using these different YouTube search terms for which YouTube was showing me YouTube Shorts. I started using those in my titles of YouTube Shorts. So I'm gonna go to my channel and let's go to videos, and here are recent videos. So I'm gonna go back last week, about a week ago. So for example, most of my shorts are 140 views, 192, blah blah blah. This short right here, 1.5K. So this is definitely above average. And look at the term I use, Instagram hack, in the title, right? And the reason I used that was because I saw YouTube Shorts were coming up for that search term. And let's scroll down, and here's another one, crazy Instagram hack. Again, the term Instagram hack, 7.6, right? And I'm sure there are many other factors. This is not the only factor. And I'm not ready to say, because I haven't done enough testing, that if you do your keyword research for Shorts title, it's gonna help. I'm not ready to say that, but I think what I do wanna share in this video is a couple of observations. Is one, YouTube Shorts are coming up in the search results. So definitely do make YouTube Shorts a priority. At least test it for your business, maybe on a main channel or a separate channel, and also test using the different keywords in the title of your YouTube Shorts. Keywords that are ranking or that are showing shorts versus non-keywords or other keywords, right? And then see what happens, because I'm definitely seeing there's something there. I'm gonna do some more testing, and I might create a follow-up video based on my findings. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.